Hey everyone, it's Gianna at Convince Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a super quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in Midnight, Cardano's privacy-focused sidechain. I know a lot of folks have questions about the airdrop, when it's happening, who's eligible, so today I want to share all the verified facts we have so far. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's a tweet. Cardanians tweeted, Midnight drop summary. Midnight will distribute tokens to 37 million wallets across 8 blockchains. So it's not just for ADA holders, other blockchains will be eligible as well. It's a Cardano partner chain using zero-knowledge proofs to prioritize privacy and data protection in decentralized apps, DApps. Here's what we know so far about the airdrop. We're gonna say DApps, it's gonna catch on. DApps are decentralized applications. Midnight will distribute their night tokens via the Glacier drop. There will be no pre-sale. The tokens will be distributed for free. 37 million wallets holding Cardano, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, BNB, Ripple, Avalanche, and BAT will be eligible. So you're probably wondering, when's this airdrop finally happening? The Glacier drop is confirmed to happen before November. During Lace's X Space, it was mentioned that the drop is expected in July. This hasn't been officially confirmed by the Midnight team yet. You can check out the timestamp though at 2340. As a Cardano partner chain, ADA holders are expected to receive the largest share of the airdrop. Since Night will be a Cardano native token, cross-chain users will need to create a Cardano wallet to claim. I really do appreciate that. This will onboard more folks onto Cardano and get them to download wallets. Only main L1 tokens like ADA, Bitcoin, and Ethereum count toward the Glacier drop distribution. Cardano native tokens or NFTs will not be considered for eligibility. So if you want to be part of that drop, make sure you actually hold ADA and not just CNFTs or other native tokens. The snapshot will be retroactive, only announced after it happens. This helps prevent market manipulation leading up to the drop. The Glacier drop is designed to onboard users from multiple chains into a shared privacy-first ecosystem. It will exclude VCs and focus entirely on retail users. I'm definitely a fan of that. Midnight is focusing on the people, not VCs and large corporations. To claim the tokens, you'll need a Cardano wallet with DApp connectivity, SIP30 compatible. If you use Daedalus, you can recover your seed phrase in SIP30 compatible wallet for the claim. Hardware wallet users can connect their device to those wallets to claim. I know a lot of folks had questions about centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. If you're holding assets on a CEX, a centralized exchange, consider self-custody in a non-custodial wallet. This is often recommended for airdrop eligibility, though Midnight team hasn't officially addressed this yet. That's a wrap. All info in this thread is based on announcements from multiple sources. Follow the Midnight Foundation and Midnight Network for official updates. But be careful and don't connect your wallet or sign anything unless it's from an official source. So definitely be careful out there. The Midnight airdrop has not happened yet, so if anyone claims that they're giving them away, that's definitely a scam. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends who love this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!